Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Fan Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's a Startline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is also a used 70 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had all its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. This vehicle is also fitted with a dark grey front bumper. You'll also notice two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but the system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that it's fitted with 16-inch steel wheels with VW centre wheel covers. Moving up to the mirrors, you will notice the mirror covers and door handles are black. Also, the mirrors on this van are heated for cold winter months. Also, to this side of the van, you will see a manual sliding door. Looking into the load area, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. As we pan the video around, you will notice that this van is fitted with wood ply lining, including the floor. At the back of the van, you will notice a tailgate without window. As we move across the rear bumper, you will notice reverse parking sensors. This van is also fitted with standard rear tail lights. You'll also notice a transporter badge and a VW emblem on the rear tailgate. Looking into the load area again, you will notice that the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. Moving across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. And here we have the inner rear tailgate. This van is painted in a solid paint, which is candy white. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather-wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. As we move to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead again. It's also fitted with 3 comfortable seats in double grid cloth. Also, the driver's seat has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I've now finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. Here we have the headlight switch. To this side of the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This van has covered 12,268 miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. If I go back into the audio section, you can change radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash, you will see a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which are down here, with a 12-volt socket. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system also has App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and my downloaded music app. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice that it's fitted with a park distance control for your rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice the heater controls with air conditioning. This is ideal for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. And now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's also a Startline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 70 plate van, please call 0121 514 0632, and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. When talking to the salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer. And thank you for watching.